My name is Ted Carrick. I'm going to be in San Diego with the California Chiropractic Association Convention on October 13th. That's a Saturday morning. And I'm going to be speaking for 3 hours. I'm going to be covering things that are clinical in nature. I'm going to show you different cases of severe neurological problems in real patients, but I'm going to show you what we do to get them better. It's going to be as impactful as I can make it for you. I think you're going to like it because it's going to be something that is rich, something that you can take to your office, and something that hopefully will make you proud to do the things that you do every day in the service of humankind. I'm going to go over our research publications from our team. We've got about 17 publications in the index literature last year. But besides all of that stuff, it's really going to be the hands-on viewing of real patients, live patients, with disorders from stroke to movement disorders to Tourette's to seizures. And I really am going to do my best to bring difficult concepts to a hands-on approach for the practicing chiropractor. I'm excited to see people there. I hope you come and see me and say hi to me personally. It'll mean a great deal for me. I'm honored to be there and very, very happy to serve in San Diego.